Good morning. I definitely have not picked the right day to start filming and get ready for work because I literally went to bed like 2 a.m. I can't find my skincare headband either. It's really annoying me because I know that I put it somewhere. Because I literally saw it yesterday because I was sorting my room out. But good morning. How is everyone? It feels so weird filming so early. I'm actually going to... So last night I was making a little tally of everyone's votes for what videos they want to see, and as a couple of new comments have come through, I like screenshot them so that I didn't lose count. So we've got another one for Rimmel, Beauty Crop and Revolution, and then we've also got another one for Beauty Crop, which I'm quite surprised by the Beauty Crop one, but that's pretty cool because I really want to try that stuff. And then organisation video. So currently at the moment we've got 2 votes for reorganising my makeup collection. Now that I've decluttered stuff. 4 votes for high-end testing, 8 for Revolution, 7 for Rimmel, 4 for Beauty Crop, 2 for my testing one more time pile tutorials, 3 for collection, 2 for Studio London, and then 2 for Primark. So at the moment Revolution's winning, which I don't know why I'm surprised by that, considering my YouTube channel users mainly be me doing and buying the latest Revolution launches. So I don't really know why I'm surprised by that, but I am. It is currently 8:15, so I'm probably being a bit risky filming. Today, I also last night sorted out, honestly I'm absolutely knackered, but I also sorted out my stuff that I need to return, so I'm going to have to go to the in-post locker after work today. I'm a nightmare when it comes to parcels because I'm just going to put my eyeballs in. I'll do it off camera because it might gross some people out when I'm putting things in my eyes. I put my eyeballs in now. It's because I know it grosses some people out. Yeah, I'm a nightmare when it comes to returning stuff. The amount of things that I've kept because I've not returned them on time is insane. Like the amount of money I've probably wasted. But what's been really good is obviously a lot of things that I've accidentally kept. Like there were some bottoms that I wore yesterday and I bought them for next over Christmassy time. Couldn't be arsed going back because I thought, oh, it'll be like heaving because obviously everyone will be doing Boxing Day sales and stuff. So I couldn't be asked taking them back. I just kept forgetting, and they were too small for me, these bottoms from Next. And I was like, obviously I paid they weren't cheap because it's Next, do you know what I mean? I think £20-25. And so I'm just looking for my bag, my work bag. And yeah, I'm a nightmare for sending things back, so I forgot to take it back. Couldn't be arsed with all the Boxing Day sale when I did remember, and then I just can't remember it, and then forgot anyway after that. And now, because I've been losing weight, now them bottoms are too big for me. So I've got my use out of them, wore them for however long, and now they're too big for me. Like I wore them yesterday and I had I was sitting at the girls at work, I've got a saggy vagina and a saggy ass in them because there's just too much excess material in them places. And it's a massive on my stomach, it keeps falling down. So time to invest in a belt for sure, because I don't really have a normal belt, because I was never wearing when I was bigger I never wore jeans or anything because the thought of actually realising what size I was, absolutely not. So I wore stretchy leggings all the time, that was my go-to. So I don't actually own a normal belt that you would wear around your jeans. I've got one that I bought from Amazon. Oh, was it Amazon? I think I got it from TikTok Shop the other week. It's a Hermes dupe, and it's one of the ones that you tie it around your waist, not your hips, if that makes sense. So it's too small for my hips. So I need one that's for my hips, but that in itself is just crazy. I'm just gonna put this in my bag. The weather is honestly so bizarre at the moment. You know, you just don't know what to wear. Put this little jumper on today. And it's weird because I feel boiling. I've just opened my window. I feel boiling when I get ready in my room. But then sometimes when I go outside, it's absolutely freezing. I feel I just can't understand what's going on. Because my room is not a warm room, so I'm trying to put my rolling on. Well, friends here. See, I don't actually know why I'm quite surprised. Whether this is when you're going to really see that I probably should be diagnosed with something on the spectrum, because I just jump from topic to topic and conversation to conversation. I have actually spoke to my doctors about getting tested, to be fair. I booked my SME the other week. I was asking them about it. And to be fair, they did say to me, basically what I just need to do is I need to look up where I want to be referred to, and then they put the referral through. And I think it's because like, the doctors don't even have like an appointment with you now. And I think it's because obviously they can't do anything anyway. They're only going to do a referral. Like they can't say yes or no, whether you might have it or not, because obviously it's not their area of expertise. This looks really wrong, doesn't it? Oh well. I just need to look that up. Just putting on some of the Revolution Pro Miracle Cream. Well, Miracle Serum. Oh, that spot is so sore. I'm literally due my period this week. I don't actually put that much makeup on for work. Like I have been putting a little bit on the past couple of days. But you'll see it's literally barely anything. I'm going to brush my teeth while that sinks in. I'll be back. I really wanted to test what this little setup was like to film like a little makeup tutorial. I want to put this light on actually as well. I'm just going with some of the Lancome concealer. It's this one. I just want to put it on this spot. I'm just going to put it next to it so I don't get the germs on it. And I've got a little bit there. A bit here as well. Because obviously I'm due on, so my spots are just loving my face right now. I really need to sort out this little drawer that I've got in my dressing table because the brushes in here need swapping. The sponges and stuff are bloody disgusting. I need sorting out because I've got new ones. I just need to literally swap things out. I'm just going to go in with like this is a little tiny one. I took these with me on holiday because I had like the tiniest little suitcase and it was just so handy. Oh, that spot is so sore. I literally caked my chin and my forehead in that Pixie. If you watch my skincare declutter video, I literally caked the Pixie, there's literally no packaging on anymore, like spot solution all over my forehead and my chin. And take some of the NARS concealer, just because I've barely slept. I might take a little bit of that and put that underneath my eyes. It's like 8:32 now. I'm just going to tap that underneath my eyes. I'm so hungry today. I'm going to put some of that concealer on my nose as well. Because my nose, I think it's because I was picking at it last night. I was trying to get all my blackheads out. I'm going to go in with some Vive powder and my really mucky powder puff. What do you use like when you get ready for work? Like, do you wear quite a lot of makeup? Like, this is actually more than what I normally ever wear. And most of the time I don't even put my glasses and my contact lenses on. Most of the time I wear my glasses. I feel like making an effort the past couple of days. I don't know, it's because I just feel mitt for my period, but I just felt like I needed to just make some kind of bit of effort. I just put that all over my skin, that powder. That one's the shade Light. Definitely like way too light for me really, but what you're gonna do, I'm gonna have a little bit of bronzer because I am really hungry. MAC Mineralized Skin Foundation Dark Tan. If you know, you know. If you watch my channel, you know, girl. And just taking another one of them little tiny brushes. These, honestly, if you travel quite a lot, you will absolutely love these brushes because they're the same like size as their normal ones, but the handle's just small. So what do I have to do today? So obviously I've got work 9 till 5. Blake's going to drop me off because Blake's actually off today and tomorrow, so he's going to drop me off so that he can have the car because we share a car because Blake's got a work van, so when he goes to work he's got his work van, but obviously that's only for work, so he's got a hair appointment today, so he's going to drop me off at work and then he can go to his hair appointment later and then he'll pick me back up. And then what do I need to do tonight? Tonight I need to I need to send them parcels back, which I'm hoping, because I'm going to take them with me in the car and leave them in the car. I'm hoping Blake will just take me on the way home and he picks me up later on oh, my nose is so peely. I need to like exfoliate that tonight. And I'm just going in with some of the Dior Rosewood blusher, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely obsessed with. Like, I love it so much. So yeah, I need to send my parcels back and then I need to edit tomorrow's video and get that sorted, and then I might start planning out fully like what I'm doing, because I need to film obviously Sunday's video, but I don't know if I know what I'm filming yet. I was trying to sort it out last night, but then I was just so tired and then I was getting distracted and going into other topics, and I was just me being typical me, starting 10 different projects and never actually finishing one of them. I'm going to go in with a little bit of MAC Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish with a little I Heart Revolution brush. I have so many brushes, like we definitely need to go through my brush collection, because I could do probably decluttering some of them, because some of them will be like old. Like, brushes don't really like bother me, like, because they don't really go out of date, do they? But some of them will be like proper old and need binning, and like ones that are just like, I'm never going to use you, like, why do I have you? Anything that's decent I'll give to my mum and my sister, because they'll always be up for some new brushes. And And I think I might put something on my brows actually. So I think that might be me done. I can't wait. So what my plan is, sorry, I literally feel like I'm giving you whiplash with the topic conversation changes. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'll get better at this as I get used to talking to you more. I won't have as much stuff to like word vom at you. I'm just going with a bit of Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3, I believe. Yeah, 3. What was I going to say? So yeah, I forget my topic as well. That's not helpful. Oh, back to what I was going to say. So I will be doing a rearrange my makeup collection with me, but I can't do that until I've filmed all of my try one more time stuff, because obviously I'll need to put them back into my collection to then organise my collection, if that makes sense, anything that makes it back in. So I won't be able to do that for a while. So that just gives me motivation to film them videos. I'm really hoping that this angle and this lighting and stuff is okay for makeup tutorial, because I don't want to have to set up a big camera, and I quite like just the chilled vibe of you just being sat there. Honestly, I'm just loving YouTube at the moment, and I don't want to kill that off. Try to put a bit of mascara on. No, I can't be asked. I definitely want to book in. I've got like a little September Glow Up list of things that I want to do. I'll read it to you quickly, but then I will have to go because I need to do my hair, and it's 22. But let me tell you what's on my Glow Up wish list. So I've put September Glow Up. I want to get a lash lift, like LVL. So I need to get that booked in. And then I've ordered, which Amazon are really pissing me off about, some hair tablets. The ones that I've used before, I used to use them ages ago, like years ago, and it does make your hair grow. It makes your hair grow everywhere, but it makes your hair grow, and it definitely helped with the condition of my hair, and it helped with my nails, which my nails are fine. Obviously I get my nails done. This is my recent set. So my nails are fine. I'm just gonna put some of this XX Harvest Moon Essence Mist. I actually wore that yesterday as well. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on. So yeah, Amazon have been a pain in the ass because they keep saying that it was meant to come the next day, and then it keeps being delayed, and now it's saying like the 5th, which is tomorrow, and it says if it doesn't come by the 5th, get back in touch with us the next day and we can give you a full refund. I don't want a refund. I want my tablets. I want my skin, hair and nail tablets. And I also ordered a bulk protein cup as well, because I want to start taking my protein water again, and that's the same thing. It's just annoying me. And then I've also put on their gym routine, because that doesn't exist at the moment. My weight loss has been through my food, which is definitely slowing down. I'm like just maintaining at the moment, so I definitely need to bring exercise back into it. Well, into it, because it was never in it as well. So I've signed up to a new gym, and then I need to get in touch with them to basically book in to get like a tour of the gym, so I know where shit is and all that palaver, and so I know how to sign in and all that. I need to do that. That's on my to-do list to get sorted. I also put whiten teeth on there because I've got like all the stuff, so why am I doing it? Like, it needs to be done. And then I've also put on their new hair, because I want my hair done in a certain way. Like, I want it more like balayage blonde. I want more roots showing, and I want like face framing, like really blonde around the front, but then I want like a lot more roots and like more dimension, and then like more dimension underneath, but then blonde. Oh, I've got pictures, I've got videos, and that's already booked in for like a week and a half time, 2 weeks time. So I'm really excited for that. I'll also get my extensions put back in, well, not put back in, pushed back, no, refitted, right word for it. I'm actually now wearing maybe not even 2 packs, maybe 1 pack of Ultra Tips, which are like the little tiny extensions that I wear on the sides of my face. And then I also have a half weft in. I've gone back to the half weft. I can talk about my hair another time. And yeah, the last thing I've got in there is the protein waters, because obviously I've ordered the shake cup. So yeah, that is my September Glow Up. And then my to-do list for like just life at the moment is send my parcels back, film this video. Well done me. I want to create some outfit mood boards on like Pinterest, and then find and buy some outfits similar to that. But before that, I need to go through like what's on my PayPal and my Klarna, and like see, because obviously I'll send some of them parcels back, so I'll get some money back for that anyway. But I feel like I just need to sort out some money, make sure that I'm good money wise. Because I've also booked to go to Benidorm over New Year's Eve for like a week with my mum and my sister. So I'm just conscious that I'm paying that back now that we've booked it. And I also am paying for Laura's hen do, because we booked that as well, so I'm paying that off monthly. But that should be paid off before Christmas, but just conscious that there's a lot going on. And then I also need to book in to get my contact lens checkup, because I've had a letter about it and I've noticed it. So I've started taking my glasses to work these past few days, and I've been wearing my contacts. because I've noticed that I'm not being able to like read my screen properly, like my second screen, so I'm having to like bring my laptop close to me. So I definitely need to sort that checkup out, because obviously it's my prescription mustn't be strong enough anymore, because my glasses have just gone up, so it makes sense that my contact lenses need to go up as well. I'm just going to show on some Fenty gloss, so I got a little bit of something on my lips. But I am going to love you and leave you, because I need to do my hair, which I don't really know what to do with my hair yet. I don't really do much of my hair normally, to be honest with you. This is my finished little tiny bit of makeup on. Oh, I thought I was going to zoom in then. Tiny little bit of makeup on for work. Let me know what you think of this lighting, because this could be my new filming setup for actually doing makeup tutorials. It's okay if you don't think this lighting is very good, because I'm not sure on it myself, and I could probably look at ways of improving it, but I just don't know what yet. But if you like it, I'll just stick to how it is, because this is so much easier, and literally can just sit here, do my makeup and get ready with you and just chat shit. Like, I absolutely love this. And I can put my jewellery back on as well, because I was having a bit of like sensory overload last night, so I took all my jewellery off apart from my Apple Watch, because I like that to wake me up in the morning. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.